What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate y'all clicking on the video. I'm Alex, and we got Fen with us. This week we're doing a quick little overnight camping backpacking trip. We're starting from the Blanchard Springs Recreation Area, which is closed, but it's just a little road walk down to here. And we're going to go east on the North Sylamore Creek Trail. We didn't bring any dehydrated meals, stove, anything like that on this trip. We've got some really good food. It's probably going to take a couple hours to cook, so we're going to try to get to camp, get some firewood, get a fire going, and then start on the food pretty early. It's like 2 p.m. right now, so take us a couple hours to get there and then a couple hours to cook the food. So we're going to get moving and we'll show you everything cool along the way. Let's get it. Big old vulture was in this cave, or buzzard, whatever it is. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm going to leave it alone and keep moving. It's pretty so far. We just got started. Of course, I've done this part of the trail many times. The campsite we're going to is one of my favorites. We're just getting to it from a different direction. Last time I came this way, the trail was kind of impassable, so I've heard that it's been cleared. Well, it wasn't impassable, but there was a lot of blowdowns and stuff from the flood too, so we're going to keep moving. Well, we've left the creek. We walked alongside the creek for a while, and we've left it and climbed up a little bit. Now we're kind of in this pine, I guess, whatever these trees are. We're up a little higher, and I think we should be getting pretty close to camp. I would say within a mile and a half or two, maybe even less. But should be getting close. Well, I came from back that way, and you can see those yellow tape or whatever you want to call it. And one time I came out here before, and they were having like a trail race, and that was part of the loop. I've wanted to explore it some more. I might do it tomorrow. I've walked a little ways down it before, but not from what I've been able to tell. It's a mountain bike trail, but I don't know. It says hiker trail. I kind of want to check it out, but we're getting close to camp. So when I get there, we'll probably get stuff set up, and then we'll get back with you when we're getting firewood. Peace. Well, we made it to camp, and I just want to show you, I guess somebody's been out here and really cleaned up this spot. So this is where the old fire pit was, and they've got some wood gathered, and they moved the fire pit over here, and then even made like a chair. So that's pretty neat. It's a nice looking fire pit. And like I said, they even got some wood there, so that's super handy. But we're gonna get stuff set up, and then we'll get back to you. Well, we've been sitting here at camp for a while. I've got the fire going. That's a pretty good fire pit that whoever made that did. They did a good job. But I wonder if that rock will get hot enough that you could almost cook something on top of it. I don't know. But I'm just going to probably let the wood in there burn down to embers, which will probably take a long time, an hour or more, and then we'll start cooking. But I got my tent set up over there, and just been hanging out. Finn's just chilling, and I'm probably going to walk down to the creek pretty soon, just making sure this fire is under control, and then we'll probably go down there and hang out for a minute. All right, we'll catch up with you later. All right, I think what I'm going to do is get a little appetizer going and then go down to the creek. I put some water on that stone on top of the fire, and it actually sizzled, so it's pretty warm up there. Popped up in one of the drinks for tonight. I got another one of them Florida Man beers that I had last week. It's like the double IPA, 9%. Pretty strong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make this just put it up there and let it cook and see how it does. And once that fire gets down more, I'll cook the main course. But this is a lot of food here. I brought a lot of food, but it'll be okay. So what I brought is some jalapeños, sliced in half, stuffed with cream cheese, and then wrapped with bacon. So I'm sure a lot of y'all have had something similar to this. I have never cooked it over a fire in a foil wrap. I've got some heavy duty foil. I'm gonna put the cream cheese up here. I'm gonna cook it with the cream cheese. I think I'm supposed to cook it with the cream cheese down at first, but I don't know why it seems like that'll make it run out. But let's see, we got 4. And I'm just kind of hoping that the bacon grease will keep it from getting stuck and burnt too bad. 5. Of course, I brought that little cooler that fits down in my pack, and I had a frozen bottle of water in there, and everything's staying pretty cool. I'm just going to do a single layer of it for this, since I'm going to try to cook it on top of that rock. I don't want it to be too thick. So see that the cream cheese is up. I think I'm going to turn it cream cheese side down and then set it on that rock. And then go check out the creek for a little bit. Come back, see how it's doing. Well, we made it down to the creek. The creek. And I'm just gonna fill up my Canuck 2 liter with water, just in case I need extra water. Maybe sit on a rock for a little bit, let Fen explore, and then we'll head back to camp pretty soon. He loves it out here. It's probably his favorite place to go, but I just have to keep an eye on him because there's a lot of little critters and stuff, and he gets the scent and then wants to go after them. But all right, we're gonna hang out for a little bit. Peace. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the dinner ready so I can throw it in and let it cook a little slower. As always, I brought way too much food. First, I'm gonna put about 2/3 of a bushel of asparagus with the very bottom stems cut off on there. Just rinsed, no seasonings on it. Then I've got about a little bit more of a red onion that I just chopped into big chunks. I didn't do a dice or anything like that. I want big bites. And we'll put that on there. And then for the main course, which I'm sure Fen will be getting a lot of this, I've got some pork belly, just with paprika, chili powder, and black pepper. And the plan is that fat will render down, and this big old cubes of pork belly, I got a pound of it, and that fat, look at all that fat, will just render down and be our grease. I'm just gonna put it all on there. Fen, you don't want it raw. I mean, he would eat it raw, but it'll be better cooked, buddy. You'll see how small that becomes once. Look, like a big piece like that, you can see how much of it's fat and how much of it's actual meat. And his mouth's over here watering.
Moments that would come back
what?
To haunt those who
How did you turn my phone on with your leash? That's crazy. All right, now we'll wrap this up like so. and put it in the fire.
Woman stepped out from a shadowed niche and confronted him. He raised an eye.
All right, well, I think this is done. I moved the pork belly and asparagus and onions up to that hot plate type thing. They put up some new wood on it, so it's actually getting pretty hot. I think I'm gonna let that cook for a while, so I decided I'd go ahead and try eating the appetizer, which is probably a pound of food, so it's not really. Oh yeah, that's the bacon's not gonna get crispy, obviously, but oh my, check that out. Jalapeno, cream cheese, bacon. Oh, it's hot. It's hot by this fire too. Golly. Oh my goodness. It's way too hot. But oh my goodness, that's good. Like I said, just jalapenos, split, seeded, filled with cream cheese, wrapped in bacon. It would have been better if the bacon is crispy, but I mean the bacon is so tender. I definitely cooked it enough. Finn's over there chewing on some kind of animal skull. Just chewing it up. Man, chew a piece of bacon, Finn. Here you go. It's hot, huh? Alright, we're going to eat this appetizer. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Y'all got to try this. We're going to let that cook for a while. Just until I get ready to eat it. Probably about 7 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock now. And then we'll get back to y'all. Alright, I think my pork belly's probably done, so we're going to find out. Ooh, wait, I just see that fat sitting on it. I ended up double wrapping it with this aluminum foil. Try to prevent it from getting burnt too badly to the aluminum foil and keep it from leaking out. I don't know how good of a job it did, but that's hot. See that grease on that? That's all from that pork belly. Oh my goodness. Y'all see this, don't you? Y'all see this, don't you? You question your boy when he comes up with a good idea, but y'all see this, don't you? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just rendered down. Oh my goodness. You can't have any yet. Oh my goodness. Got that crisp on it. Ooh. Check this out. It's that pork belly right there. It's that pork belly. I opened my last beer. I already showed you, but it's a Space Camper from Boulevard Brewing. Pretty tasty. It is a quantum hop. So, alright. I think it's going to be way too hot, but I'm going to give it a try. Man, that's cooked. Oh my goodness. What have I done? Y'all see that? You see that? That's good stuff. Oh my goodness. I've got stuff all over me. My pants have got grease on them, but let me give Finn a piece. It's hot, Finn. Pig fat, huh? Pig fat. Man, that's good. Oh yeah, there's a good crispy piece. Oh my gosh. For any of y'all that haven't had pork belly, it's basically bacon, right? This is just cubed, pretty thick, but you just have some muscle with some thick layers of fat, and that fat renders down. Like I said, paprika, chili powder, black pepper on the meat. That was it on this. That's hot on my fingers. It's literally burning my fingers. And I'm normally not a big fat person, but like as far as food, pork belly though, it's so it just melts. That's 5 dog paws. Without a doubt, that's 5 dog paws. Just whole ingredients. The fat's not great for you. You know, people have opinions about pork, but it's just vegetables and meat. I didn't put any salt on it. But it's amazing. Finn and me are going to finish eating this food, sip on this beer for a little bit, and we'll get back to you before you go to bed. Get out here and cook something over a campfire, guys. It doesn't taste the same at home, I promise you. Man. Alright, peace. Well, we ate all of that food between Finn and myself. It was amazing. Probably, I think it was better than that salmon I cooked, which was at the same campsite, by the way. Fire still going, but it's down to embers. I've got my tent set up to where I can watch it from my tent. Finn's ready to go to bed. So I think it's about 7:30. I think I'm going to lay down, get comfortable, listen to my book a little bit. I do have 2 sugar cookies from Kroger for dessert. And then that should do me. I'm full right now, but I'm going to eat those too. It's just been a great day. I'm glad I decided to come out here. I thought about staying home and PvPing on World of Warcraft, and I'm glad I didn't. It's great to be out here. But anyways, we're going to go to bed. We'll see you in the morning. I'll fill you in on some exciting plans I have coming up in about a week. And we'll talk to you later. Good night. Good morning, everybody. It is 9:30 in the morning. Finn and me have been awake up for probably an hour and a half or 2. Been awake for a lot longer than that. We've got camp cleaned up. As always, we leave no trace. Double check everything. Still a good pile of firewood left. This is a really nice camp. I like how they moved the fire pit, and that new fire pit's really nice. Definitely excited to come back here and cook some more. But we're going to go ahead and start heading back to the truck. I think I'm going to end the video here. I really appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoy the content, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And we're going to see you on the next one. I've got a week off of work, week vacation into work starting next week, and I'm planning a big trip then. So stay this way. So stay tuned to see what that is. We're going to hit the trail and get back to the truck. Peace.